Hey guys, welcome back to another video with
Mia.
and the worst thing, I'm mixing all my slimes together.
Well, I didn't get to
All
have a video.
my 15 batches of slime.
Yeah, but I had to mix them on, so I was like, you know, you have to mix yours. She was like, what?
I'm gonna be mixing.
Ugh, what the heck?
Yeah, it's
This
really
smells good.
It's really sticky. So
Ugh, it's not even slime.
it's really sticky.
It's not even slime.
It's kind of like it is.
Guys,
slime,
this
it's just
isn't
really
even
sticky.
slime. It looks like lotion. It smells really good.
Okay, so let's start with my beautiful, beautiful, beautiful slime. This
You have to
beautiful
mix it in
slime.
this. You have to mix it in
Okay.
this.
This is my fluffiest slime I ever had. It's like the best slime. Look.
This is probably the best slime because it's not sticky. See, my slimes are not sticky. Hers are.
Yeah, because I like bubbles. Because you get to make really big bubbles with them.
God. This is kind of like a slime fail. Can I pour this one in there?
Hold on. Oh. Okay. Oh, my lavender slime in my bubble gum. In my cotton candy blue slime. Blue cotton candy slime.
This one smells really good. This one isn't even slime, but it smells good, so I would count it as like slime. But
Look, it is slime, but it's really sticky.
nah,
It's like the
really.
stickiest slime I ever had, but that's about
It smells very good though. It might smell good.
Oh, I almost got it in my hair.
Yeah.
You probably want to put your do not get that on the
I won't,
carpet.
I promise.
I'm not freaking playing. I will beat your ass. You all need to put this like
You know there's a
somewhere.
camera
What?
Right there. You stand behind it.
Awesome.
Ecology.
And I just said beat your ass.
Yeah.
You can redo it.
Okay, it's already huge. It's already bigger than Mia's.
Nuh-uh, never.
My butter slime. Doesn't this feel like butter slime?
Not really.
That's like my
Okay, this is
non-sticky.
over here charging, and it's 100%. Yeah.
What, your phone?
Is that your charger, man?
Nope.
That's Mackenzie's or yours, Mom.
Did
That
you
one-
get it out of my
That
room?
one's really, really sticky.
Did you get it out of my room?
No, it was
No.
in the living room.
It was in the living room. This one is like my all-time favorite slime.
You gotta start mixing it because it's starting
Yeah.
to get super sticky.
Oh my gosh, this is my small. No, this is not really my smallest.
Oh, yeah. So
This is
she
called
made-
Baby Girl. Baby Girl.
Yeah,
Ugh.
that's probably her favorite one because
Yeah,
like she made it at my house and it's really good.
Oh my gosh, that's a pretty color though.
Okay, the last one is gonna be like
Nuh-uh, that's not the last one.
I know. This one's really tiny.
That one's my smallest one. It's falling over. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be huge. Okay, let's hurry up and put all of them in there. Oh my gosh, it's falling over.
Oh, this. No, mine is bigger than yours. I'm mixing it, okay? Ooh, that one.
Oh, sorry. Okay, now get. Okay, wait, no, this is not my last slime.
Hurry.
Yeah,
What
this is my-
container are we gonna put it
This
in?
is my only pink slime.
We better go find a container.
Alright, well, this one's fully charged, so.
Okay, so
Are you on my phone?
I unplugged it.
it is
Fully charged.
this big.
Here,
Mine is bigger than hers.
here you go.
Thank you. Smells good.
Yeah, because I put lotion in it.
Well, what's the deal with all the containers?
From slime. Oh my gosh, that's a pink streak in it. That's cool.
What are y'all gonna do with it?
Okay, subscribe if you're new here and like this video. And if it gets to 5 likes, I'll show you my night or morning routine. Bye.